Alright folks, buckle up and let's dive into the explosive world of volcanic eruptions. Ever wondered what really happens when a volcano blows its top? First, let's talk about the basics. A volcano is essentially a rupture in the Earth's crust, allowing hot lava, volcanic ash, and gases to escape from a magma chamber below the surface. So what triggers these fiery giants to spew their guts out? It all starts deep within the Earth, in the mantle, where temperatures are blistering hot, about 1,300 to 1,600 degrees Celsius. This heat causes rocks to melt and form magma, a molten rock mixture. Magma is less dense than the solid rock around it, so it starts to rise. Imagine it like a hot air balloon lifting off the ground. Now, as magma makes its way upwards, it collects in magma chambers, which are like underground lakes of molten rock. The pressure builds up here, kind of like shaking a soda can. If the pressure becomes too intense, the magma forces its way through cracks and weaknesses in the Earth's crust. Here's where it gets wild. When magma reaches the surface, it erupts as lava, ash, and volcanic gases. The type of eruption depends on the magma's composition. If it's runny basaltic magma, you get those slow, steady lava flows like in Hawaii. But if it's thick, sticky, andesitic or rhyolitic magma, you're in for a more explosive show. Think Mount St. Helens or Krakatoa. As the eruption progresses, gases trapped in the magma, like water vapor, carbon dioxide, and sulfur dioxide, expand and escape violently. This can create towering ash clouds that shoot miles into the sky, raining ash over vast areas and even impacting global climate. Now, let's not forget about pyroclastic flows. These are scorching hot avalanches of gas and volcanic matter, speeding down the volcano at up to 700 kilometers per hour. They obliterate nearly everything in their path. But volcanoes aren't just destructive, they're also creators. Eruptions build new landforms like islands and mountains, and enrich soils with minerals, making them fertile. Volcanoes are a crucial part of Earth's long-term carbon cycle, playing a role in regulating our climate over geological timescales. So there you have it. From the depths of the mantle to the explosive surface eruptions,